Hi there, I am Rajaul Karim. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add a slider for customer review. First of all, you can see I am in my dashboard. I will have to make a custom section for this slider. Then I will show it. I am going to show it how we can implement this. First of all, I am uh, mm, here. You can see I am using horizon theme. It will also work in every theme. Okay, then click on three dots, go to edit code. After that, I will have to create a custom section. I'm going to create a custom section. I will name it review dot liquid. Okay, here is the code. I'm going to copy the code. After copying, let's paste it here, then save. After that, I will have to go to edit theme. From here, you can see in template section, I am going to add a section whose name is testimonial. Testimonial. Okay, add it. Here you can see it's been added. Then I will add review. Here you can see a review has been added. Yeah, I can change the review name, client name or customer name, and designation. From here, I am going to edit. Click on review. Then we can edit from here. If I change it, you can see it's changing. Name also changed, and designation also. If I change, you can test. Then I can add a client or customer image. Here you can see the image of customer. I will duplicate several times so that I can check the slider. Okay, let's duplicate it one, then again duplicate, duplicate. I have taken 4 times. Okay, that's fine. Save. After that, I will check my preview. I'm going to check the preview. Here you can see the customer review section. Okay, and it's slider. If I check it in mobile device, you can see how it's look. Okay, here you can see the slider and it's working fine. I will add the code in description, in my video description. Please check the description to get the code. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for getting more updates about Shopify.